It's day 46, pack a day. As I said I do, I put all the coins that I've got in those blister packs into these coin holders, just to keep them all in good condition so they don't get scratched or chipped or anything like that. Might chuck them on eBay if nobody's interested in a giveaway, because I haven't really got much of an interest in that yet, unfortunately. Swallow, Myanmar, Woopa, Dadine, Pick-a-Peck, Choidle, Orbeetle V. Don't think I have that Orbeetle V in the binder yet, as well as the reverse hollow Ninjask. And the Orbeetle, which is 20. Goes next to the Orbeetle VMAX. There we go.